Good morning, Michael A. Kostick. Happy Friday. This is Ms. Fletcher. We have announcements for today. It is grade 2 and 3 in the big park. And as you go into this weekend, the grade 6s are wondering, what are you thankful for? We know we are grateful for the food donations that students are bringing in for the Edmonton Food Bank. There is a grade 6 thriller practice for P22 and P23 at first recess today in the gym. The MAC track team has completed 3 Harrier cross-country races against many other Edmonton area elementary schools, and the results are in. The grade 5 girls team placed 8th overall. The grade 5 boys team placed 4th overall. The grade 6 girls team placed 12th overall, and the grade 6 boys team placed 2nd overall. Way to go, team. And you have to remember, we live in a city of over 1 million people. That is amazing. Besides a team event, students are recognized if they participated in all 3 races in the top 10. It was a very exciting to announce that we have 4 students who are specifically recognized in all of Edmonton. Big congratulations to Bennett Sykes, who finished 5th overall, Austin Ziba, who finished 8th overall, Kirk Gerard, who finished 6th overall, Quinn Penteluk, who finished 2nd overall. Let's congratulate all of our participants on a job well done. We are proud of you, and thank you to our teachers who have spent all their time and energy to make this happen. To end our wonderful reading week, we've chosen 4 classes to win ice cream. The lucky winners are Mrs. Benvenuto, room 2, Ms. Dunn, room 10, Mrs. Paulson and Mrs. Chan in room 18, and Mrs. Doyle in P23. You can read and enjoy a treat. Yesterday's mystery reader was Mrs. Place. So, our winners are MJ in room 1, Chase, P25. Come on down and get a book at a time that works for your teacher. Today's mystery reader, here it is.
The world needs your voice. Mine? Yes, yours. Go ahead. It doesn't need to be perfect, as long as it's from your heart. You don't have to be loud. Powerful words can be a whisper. You can say something in so many ways, with words, with action, with creativity.
All right. Couple of reminders. MAC students, when you are on school grounds, on the bus, cell phones, in your backpack, texting, phoning, filming, photos on school grounds, not permitted. That is a reminder for everybody. Fun lunch orders are due on the 9th. You can order on School Zone. There is no school on Monday as we recognize Thanksgiving. Happy birthday to Barack, room 18, Tanner in room 1, Elias in P23. Happy birthday over the weekend to Maya, room 17, Andy in P23, Ryder in room 10, Harris in room 14. You can come down for your pencil. Joke of the day. What did 0 say to the number 8? Nice belt. All right. And we are so thankful for all of you. Thanks for your patience with those announcements.